Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about Breville Bambino. Breville launched the Breville Bambino espresso machine in 2018, offering a compact, beginner-friendly experience with rapid heat-up times and a powerful thermojet system. But what if I told you there's an easy and budget-friendly way to take your Bambino to the next level? Meet the IMS shower screen. Designed specifically for the Breville Bambino, Bambino Plus, and other 54mm espresso machines by Breville. This small but mighty upgrade makes a huge difference in your espresso experience. This IMS shower screen isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Its mirror finish surface makes cleaning effortless, preventing stubborn coffee buildup. The precisely engineering holes improve water flow, giving you 30% more crema for richer shot, while also enhancing body and flavor for a deeper, more complex taste. Built to last, it features a special manufacturing process for added durability. For a small investment, you get better consistency, more crema, and easier to maintain espresso machine. And installation, it's as simple as swapping out the stock shower screen with this upgrade. Okay, so place it upside down like this. And for this little thing, you just need a little stubby Phillips screwdriver like this. And what we're gonna do is, you see this is the original factory shower screen. We're gonna go ahead and remove that Phillips screw in the middle. Depending upon how clean you use your machine, this could be a little harder to remove, so you need to put some elbow grease on it. And here's the screw. Do not lose the screw. And here's the shower screen. One easy way to remove it, you can use this Phillips screw. I like get it out of there. While you're doing this, mine is very clean because I cleaned it recently. Grab a rag and wipe all this inside out, this thing, and store this in somewhere safe or in the box of IMS. What you see over here is the gasket. In time, this gasket may crack because of, it's constantly heating up, cooling down, heating up, cooling down. It's a silicone gasket and it's sold on Amazon. You can get it anywhere pretty much, but Amazon happens to be the best place for me personally. You can buy them 2 packs like under 20 bucks. So you can easily remove this and replace it with a new one. We're not gonna touch that one today. And let's get this IMS shower screen, as you see, from the box. Get it out of the box. And this is it. This is the B as in boy, V as in Victor, BV200 IMS made in Italy. And here's the original screen for you to compare. Here's the back of the screens. As you see, this has a lot more precise holes and appears to be more even comparing to this. Kind of looks like those stainless steel puck screens that they sell. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the screen. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. Put the IMS logo facing the machine and place it right on top here where the group head is. By the way, I didn't know group head on the Breville is plastic, so okay. I guess with thermojet, it doesn't need to warm up the group head. It warms up in 3 seconds. I love this machine, you guys. After that, you grab the screw you removed, put it in there, and slowly tighten it. Do not over tighten it. You may end up bending the screen. Make it tight just enough so it doesn't fly away with the pressure. There you go. There's also a more expensive IMS Nanotech shower screen similar to this one, but personally I found this screen excellent and it worked great for me. If you're interested in both of these screens, I included the links in the video description. If you order through these links, you'll be helping my channel grow at no additional cost to you. If you think this video was helpful and found it interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching Teo's Take.